So we are moving to the next unit, the Doctor's Word, which is written by R.K. Narayan. We came to know about the central character in the topic, Dr. Raman, and I also told about his friend, but I didn't mention his name. Actually, one more character was there, Gopal, one of the close friend of Dr. Raman. So I am coming to introduce that person. Today we are coming to the text. Today, standing over a bed, the doctor felt that he himself needed someone to tell him soothing lies. He mopped his brow with his kerchief and sat down in the chair beside the bed. On the bed lay his dearest friend in the world, Gopal. They had known each other for 40 years now. Starting with their kindergarten days, they couldn't, of course, meet as much as they wanted, each being wrapped in his own family and profession. Occasionally, on a Sunday, Gopal would walk into the consulting room and wait patiently in a corner till the doctor was free, and then they would dine together, see a picture, and talk of each other's life and activities. It was a class friendship standing over, untouched by changing times, circumstances, and activities. So, here is the story. Does the illness of a person dearest to your heart upset you? Can you guess how a doctor feels for his ailing friend? So, in this unit, we are going to introduce one of his close friend named Gopal, who usually came to Dr. Raman to meet him. On a Sunday, he was there in the clinic of Dr. Raman to meet him, and he waited him till the doctor was free, and once he was free he came to Gopal, and they used to talk over various topics, and they used to dine together, and they went to see movies and watch movies. In this way they spent a lot of time. Actually they didn't have much time nowadays. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାଙ୍କର ପାଖରେ ବହୁତ ସମୟ ନଥିଲା because they both were engaged in their professional life and they were busy in their schedule, so that is why they didn't have much time to spend together. I will tell you in Odia actually. दिने कौन है गोपाल जे थे डॉक्टर रमन गोटे क्लोज फ्रेंड से दिने आसिक बसी ये कहुई हि मोप्ड हिज ब्रो मोप टू कहले वाइप्ड क्लीन ब्रो को से क्लीन कर से बसिले से जगार हैंडकरचिफ मध्यम ये कर से बसुंट सेट डाउन इन द चेयर से पड़ी गोटे चेयर से बसिले जो क्लिनिक पाखे. On the bed lay his dearest friend in the world, Gopal. They had known each other. At first, I am telling you, today, standing over a bed, the doctor felt that he himself needed someone to tell him soothing lies. माने से जन को एक्सप्रेस करने चाहूँगे सांग को किसी बैठा चाहूँगे जहाँ सहित से बहुत क्लोज थे. स्टैंडिंग ओवर अ बेड द डॉक्टर्स फेल्ट दैट ही हिमसेल्फ नीडेड समवन. से चाहूले गोटे लोक को जहाँ से सत कथा माने संपूर्ण मिछ कथाटी जोटा आम कौच कम्फर्ट सुदिंग लाइज कम्फर्ट लाइ जो मिछ भी मिछ कहला मिछ कहवा जिनस को भी से खोजुले जड़े लोक को. ही मूव्ड हिज ब्रो विथ हिज कर्चिफ एंड सेट डाउन इन द चेयर बिसाइड द बेड. से कौन कले ही मूव्ड हिज ब्रो विथ हिज कर्चिफ एंड सेट डाउन इन द चेयर बिसाइड द बेड. ऑन द बेड ले हिज डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड इन द वर्ल्ड गोपाल. से देखिले जो बेड आड़े देखी सांग गोपाल आसिक पहुँची. दे हाड नोन ईच अदर. दे वर चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड्स. से अति पिला बेलर सांग एंड इच अदर फॉर 40 years नाउ. से 40 वर्ष है पाखापाखि परस्पर परस्पर को जानी. स्टार्टिंग विथ देयर किंडरगार्टन डेज. किंडरगार्टन कहले अति पिला बेलू बा स्कूल बेलू बा छोट बेलू. दे कुडंट of course meet as much as they wanted, but it was too difficult task on the part of both of them to get time or to spend time each other together. आम कहवा एकाठी मिसिक टाइम से स्पेंड कर पार नथले because they were busy in their schedule. तांकर कार्यक्रम से व्यस्त रोते. So each being wrapped in his own family and profession. परस्पर परस्पर फैमिली आउ प्रोफेशन रे बिजी रोते. Occasionally on a Sunday Gopal would walk into the consulting room. So one Sunday गोटे कौन है गोटे रविवार दिन गोपाल आसिक पहुँची जाइए क्या पाखे इन द कंसल्टिंग रूम ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड और इन द क्लिनिक ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड. तांकर सांगर क्लिनिक आसिक पहुँच जाइए. डॉक्टर रमन क्लिनिक पहुँच जाइए. सांग होती किए गोपाल. एंड वेट पेसेंटली इन ए कॉर्नर टिल द डॉक्टर वाज फ्री से आसिक जगी डॉक्टर को डॉक्टर फ्री होगा पर्यटन से अपेक्षा कर एंड देन दे वुड डाइन टुगेदर तापर से मैंने कौन करते मिशीले भेटुले आउ मिसिक खाऊले सी अ पिक्चर तापर मूवी देखापी जाते एंड टॉक ऑफ ईच अदर्स लाइफ एंड एक्टिविटीज एंड दे यूजुअली talked over various topics related to their personal life and business and other activities ए भाया जिन से कथा होते it was a classic friendship standing over so it was a classic friendship we can say it was the relationship which they were not able to forget and they talked over various topics in this way they spent their times तांकर समय गुड़ाक से मैंने एभली भाव अतिबाहित करुले and they were like an example for the society untouched by changing times that means they were unchanged they didn't change their figure तांकर रूप को से परिवर्तन करना they were remain same से माने एबे भी समान थिले and circumstance and activities they didn't change their style behavior and other activities so that is why in this way they both were famous and they both were close friends. In his busy round of work, Dr. Raman had not noticed that Gopal had not called in for over 3 months now. या भितर 3 मास बीती जाइए they didn't meet again से माने भेटी नांती आउ he just remembered it when he saw Gopal's son sitting on a bench in the consulting hall. So one day there was the person son of Gopal was there in the consult room of Dr. Raman. दिने कौन है we are moving the next paragraph. गोपाल पु आसिक पहुँची कंसल्टिंग रूम रे जो डॉक्टर रमन रोचंती एंड ही वाज वेटिंग फॉर द डॉक्टर से दिन ऑन दैट डे ही वाज वेटिंग फॉर द डॉक्टर को जगी सी बट डॉक्टर डिडंट नोटिस हिम ताको नोटिस करि नथले बट व्हाट हैपेंड वन क्राउडेड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर रमन कुडंट टॉक टू हिम फॉर ओवर एन आवर से दिन से आ कथा ही नांती ताको पखापाखि गोटे घंटा हो गलानी एंड स्टिल ही वाज वेटिंग फॉर डॉक्टर रमन को से अपेक्षा कर बसी बट से जानी ना कथा ही पारना when he got up and was about to pass onto the operation room he called up the young man and asked so Dr. Raman noticed him finally that a young man was waiting for him and he was there at the consulting room से जोगी थिला बोली देखियो पहले while he was moving to the operation theater को जीवा समय से देखले जे जने young man who was stranger गोटे अजना लोक आसिक बसी and he called that young man ताको से डाकिले and asked ताको पचारिले what brings you here sir कौन पाई तुम ये आसो बोलिक पचारे इन स्टैंडर्ड लैंग्वेज ही आस्क टू दैट यंग मैन सो द यूथ वाज नर्वस एंड साय से नर्वस था और टी लाजकुला स्वभाव था ही सेड टू द डॉक्टर को से कहला मदर सेंट मी हियर मत मोर माँ पठे व्हाट कैन आई डू फॉर यू फादर इज इल ही सेड सो दैट मच was the conversation between Dr. Raman and Gopal's son. The name of the son is not mentioned here. We should know that he was the son of Gopal Ross' son thila. So एभली हूँ story that I have introduced one more character here who was very close and he was very close friend of Dr. Raman and many days long he was not able to come to the clinic of Dr. Raman and one day there was the son of Gopal and he was waiting for the doctor and doctor noticed him finally and he called him and he asked what brings you here and then the son replied to Dr. Raman mother sent me बोलिकर से कहला and he said father was ill बापा असुस्थ थिले बापा असुस्थ अछन बोलिकर से जणाइले so we are moving the next unit do you know skillful doctors are always calm even in adverse situation प्रतिकूल परिस्थिति भी they remain silence they control their emotions and they properly concentrate their mind on their business only what should be done in the next से ऊपर से ध्यान दियंती which in the emergencies आम कहीपर जरूरीकालीन परिस्थिति में केमती निज काम रखा जाए पार नॉट टू बी पैनिक दैट इज व्हाट डॉक्टर्स लर्न से शिखी एंड हाउ टू थिंक आम कहीपर दे नो और दे न्यू हाउ टू ट्रीट समवन एंड हाउ टू सर्व समवन ताकू जन जदि इफ somebody is ill and somebody is critically ill आम जदि कह संपूर्ण भाव असुस्थ अच्छे केमती कौन सेवा जोगा दि जापर दे बेटर नो इट देन अदर्स सो व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन व्हेन ही सॉ हिज फ्रेंड कौन थी रिएक्शन व्हेन ही सॉ वन ऑफ हिज क्लोज फ्रेंड जे प्रकृत सांग बा बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड परिस्थिति कौन थी से विषय आम पढ़ा इन द नेक्स्ट यूनिट 3 It was an operation day and he was not free till 3 in the afternoon. He rushed up straight from the clinic to his friend's house. So he didn't wait much time after completion of the operation. Operation complete heବା ପରେ he straightly moved to his friend's house to see him and to meet him. ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ ଗୋପାଳକୁ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଗଲେ. It was an operation day. He was not free till 3 in the afternoon. 3ଟା ଯାଏଁ ସେ ଫ୍ରି ନଥିଲେ. But once it is completed, he rushed off straight from the clinic to his friend's house. Directly se कोठी गले तांकर सांगर घरକୁ गेले. In lowly extension, Gopal lay in bed as if in sleep, and Gopal was critically, आम कोई परिवा, he was in serious condition and he slept on the bed. Bed से सोई पड़ी and he was not able to open his eyes even. The doctor stood over him and asked Gopal's wife, how long has he been in bed? से पचारे केते दिन है से अच्छी बेड रे बोलिक किए पचारे. डॉक्टर रमन asked to the wife of गोपाल रो वाइफ को से पचारछंती. And she replied, a month and a half doctor. पाखापाखि 1.5 मास हेलाणी बोलिक कहउछंती. Who is attending him? किए तांकर बॉडी चेक करछंती बा तांकर हेल्थ किए चेक करछंती. So she replied to Dr. Raman, a doctor in the next street. He comes down once in 3 days and gives him medicine. से कौन कहले जे पाख साइड रोथुवा जने डॉक्टर he came to the house and he checked his health. तांकर हेल्थ के चेक करथुले. One of the doctor who was staying nearby street. He comes down once in 3 days. 3 दिन को थोड़े से आउस्तला and he gave medicines. What is his name? के पचारला. Dr. Raman asked to the wife of Gopal. Gopal पचारला what is his name? तांकर ना कोन? So he had never heard of him. Someone I don't know, but I wish he had the goodness to tell me about it. Why couldn't you have sent me word earlier? Then he was looking too much worried, Dr. Raman, because it had been too late, and that is why he scolded the wife of Gopal. Gopal ro wife को से गाली कोला भली कहले बा विरक्त हेले that why didn't you tell me a day earlier, or why didn't you send your son a day earlier? मते गोटे दिन आगरु काहे डकेले ना. It had been too late. That means there was a small hope to live again on the part of गोपाल जीवन में बर्तमान बहुत सीरियस कंडीशन है जाइतला. एंड नाउ द लाइफ ऑफ गोपाल डिपेंड एंड इट वाज गोइंग टू डिपेंड ऑन द वर्ड्स ऑफ द डॉक्टर नेम्ड रमन. बट डॉक्टर रमन को हाथ निर्भर करथला तांकर जीवन. सो वी थॉट यू वुड बी बिजी एंड डिडंट विश टू ट्रैवल यू अननेसेसरीली. सो से कौन कहले. द वाइफ रिप्लाइड टू डॉक्टर रमन. और डॉक्टर रमन को रिप्लाई कले कि गोपाल रो वाइफ जार हस्बैंड सीरियस कंडीशन रे थिला एंड ही वाज स्टिल ऑन द बेड and he was not able to stand and move properly. And in the meantime, who arrived? One of his close friend Dr. Raman arrived. And when he arrived, ketol asile after his son was being sent by the mother. माँ तांकर पठेला परे बा गोपाल रो वाइफ जेतबे तार पो को पठेला डॉक्टर रमन को पाखु तापर जाकर से आसीथिले टू मीट हिम एंड टू विजिट हिम. एंड देन देयर वाज द कन्वर्सेशन. तांको भीतर कथावार्ता हेतला. व्हाई it had been too late. एटा बहुत विलंब हो जाइथिला. एंड he also scolded and said something in rude voice that why you didn't say me a day earlier बोलिकर का कहले. तांकर गोपाल रो वाइफ को कहले तुम काहे मते गोटे दिन आगरु पठेलो नै बोलिकर कहले. बट व्हाट सी रिप्लाइड. से कोन रिप्लाई देले that we didn't wish to trouble you unnecessarily. आमे अदरकारी भाव रे आपन को डिस्टर्ब करिया पय चाहू नथलु. एंड वी न्यू दैट यू वुड बी बिजी देयर इन योर क्लिनिक. दैट इज व्हाई वी डिडंट से अ वर्ड टू यू. आमे गोटे भी पद आपन को कहले सेते पय से क्षमा प्रार्थना करथले. दे वर एपोलोजेटिक एंड मिजरेबल. दयनीय अवस्था रे कथा से दुख प्रकाश करथले कि द वाइफ ऑफ गोपाल बिफोर द पर्सन डॉक्टर रमन. डॉक्टर रमन कर सामना रे से दुख प्रकाश करके ए कथा कहथले जे आमे एथि पय आपन को डाकी पर नथलु जे आपन बिजी थिबे व्यस्त थिबे क्लिनिक रे बोली करे. So there was hardly any time to be lost. He took off his coat and opened his bag. तापर से कौन कहले. He started his preparation to check the health of Gopal. गोपाल रो अवस्था बा देह को चेक करिया पे से स्टार्ट करले all his preparation. At first he opened his bag. तांगर बैग से काढिले and he took off his coat and opened his bag he took out an injection tube and he also took out an injection tube. गोटे injection needle से खोलिले. The needle sizzled over the stove. The sick man's wife whimpered in a corner and essayed to ask questions. So the sick man's wife माने the wife of Gopal. Gopal रो wife कौन कोला? He moved towards a corner. गोटे corner को पळेला and whimpered कोले weak sound करिवा जोटा माने दुर्बलिया sound. That means she was feeling nervous actually. She didn't know much about her husband's health, but the doctor knew about it. And at first what he did, the needle sizzled over the stove. Se needle कौन कोले से sizzle करी करे ये कोले. The sick man's wife whimpered in a corner and essayed to ask questions. Please don't ask questions, snapped the doctor. So whenever she tried to ask some questions to the doctor, what are you giving, तमे कौन दौच कौन देवा पाई जाउछ बोली जेतले पचरे जाउतला, the person or the person named Dr. Raman denied to ask any question and he refused to ask any questions and he started avoiding her during that time, during his treatment. तांकर चिकित्सा आरंभ कला बेलको से कहले पार्टी न फिटेवा पाई का कहला to the wife of Gopal. और गोपाल रो wife को से कहले. He looked at the children who were watching the sterilizer and said, send them all away somewhere except the eldest. तापर से कौन है all the children were there, they were watching the sterilizer and the treatment of Dr. Raman, but Dr. Raman said to the wife of Gopal से कौन कहले जे पिला मन को एठारु नहीं जाओ, all away somewhere except the eldest. बड़ बड़ छुआ माने थांतु छान पिला मन को बाहर को नहीं जाओ बोल कर कहले से बुझियला. Then we will move to the next paragraph. He sat in the drog, sat back in his chair and gazed on the patient's face for over an hour. So he sat in the drug भितर से शॉर्ट करी रखिले. sat back in his chair, तापर से तांकर चेयर बसुचंती and now he started gazing on the patient's face. Patient रो face को से चाहुथिले. gaze माने चाहिबा. over an hour एमती पाखापाखि गोटे घंटा he was waiting for his friend's eyes to be opened. तार आखि खुलिवा जाय से अपेक्षा करि करथिले. The patient still remained motionless. On the other hand, the patient named Gopal, one of his close friends, जे तांकर सांग थिला, जे बहुत क्लोज सांग थिला, he was motionless. That means he was not able to move and stand properly. The doctor's face gleamed with perspiration. आमे कोइ परिबा perspiration कहले झाळ रे परिपूर्ण हो जाइथिला आउ से जिन बहुत असजड़ा देखा जाउथिले. आउ द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्लीम्ड कहले आमे कोइ परिबा बेले बेले दिसुथिबा किछि जिंस जोटा को आमे कोइ परिबा करुण चाहाणी तांकर जोटा. सो एंड हिज eyelids dropped with fatigue. टायर्डनेस फैटिक बोली कहले टायर्ड क्लांत देखा जाउथला कार डॉक्टर रमन कर. The sick man's wife stood in a corner and watched silently, and she was there in a corner and she watched silently to Dr. Raman. Dr. Raman को से देखुतला. She asked timidly, Doctor, shall I make some coffee for you? मु आपन पई किछि बनेबी कि कॉफी बोल कर से पचरला. No, he replied, although he felt famished. And the meaning of famished you can write भोकिला देखा जाउथले कि डॉक्टर रामन. नो आई डोंट नीड कॉफी, बट ही फेल्ट फैमिस्ड बोल कहले हंग्री बा भोकिला. हैविंग मिस्ड हिज मिड डे मील ही गॉट अप एंड सेड, आई विल बी बैक इन फ्यू मिनट्स. डोंट डिस्टर्ब हिम ऑन एनी अकाउंट. ही पिक्ड अप हिज बैग एंड वेंट टू हिज कार. तापरे कौन है ही डिडंट हैव हिज मिड डे मील एंड ही सेड टू द वाइफ ऑफ गोपाल. तांको कहले उठिले एवं कहले आई विल बी बैक इन फ्यू मिनिट्स. मु अति अल्प समय भितर फेरुची, अति अल्प समय भितर. डोंट डिस्टर्ब हिम, लेट हिम स्लीप प्रॉपर्ली. तांको सुईबा को दियो. ही पिक्ड अप हिज बैग एंड वेंट टू हिज कार. तापर से तांकर कार पाखु चली गले टू गो टू हिज क्वार्टर. सो इन ए क्वार्टर ऑफ एन आवर ही वाज बैक. पाखापाखि 40-45 मिनट भितर ही केम बैक अगेन टू द हाउस ऑफ गोपाल टू चेक हिज हेल्थ. तार देह अवस्था तार सिचुएशन को देखा ही केम बैक वंस अगेन आउ थे आसिले टू द हाउस ऑफ गोपाल हु वाज इन सीरियस कंडीशन फॉलोड बाय एन असिस्टेंट एंड अ नर्स. एंड ही केम विथ एन असिस्टेंट एंड नर्स. जड़े नर्स और असिस्टेंट सहित ही केम बैक टू द हाउस ऑफ गोपाल. द डॉक्टर टोल्ड द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस I have to perform an operation, the doctor told the lady of the house. माने गोपाल रो वाइफ को कहले. That means he didn't say a word to Gopal's wife. किछि भी ताको कहले नहीं what was happened to Gopal. And without telling anything, he started all his treatment and he started all his preparation to treat one of his closed friend Gopal. किछि न कह के से तांकर ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करले किबळी भाबरे. At first he went to take his meal. Midday meal was missed by Dr. Raman, and first he did that, and then he came back again to the house of Gopal with an assistant and a nurse. Nurse और assistant सहित से गोपाल रो घर को आसिले. And he said to the wife of Gopal that I have to perform an operation. मते गोटे ऑपरेशन करबा को पड़िबो. Then the wife of Gopal replied, से कहउथला कोन why she was looking too much worried. से देखा जाउथले बहुत worried बा चिंतित देखा जाउथले. She was feeling tensed. She asked faintly, दुर्बल भाव रे पचारले से weak voice रे, I will tell you all that soon. के कहले डॉक्टर रिप्लाई कहले I will tell you that soon. आ विषय मु तुमको पर कहबी, बट लेट मी फिनिश माय प्रिपरेशन. मते मोर काम करबा को दियो बोली कर से कहले काको वाइफ ऑफ गोपाल को. Will you leave your son here to help us? And he said to the wife of Gopal that leave your son here because he will help us. से हमको साहाय्य करियो ताको एट रहिबा को दियो and you just move away from that place. जगह रो मूव करो बोले से कहले. And go over to next house and stay there till I call you. मु नो डाकिबा पर्यंत आसीबो नाही बा मु डाकिला पर्यंत एठाको आसी मु नो डाकिला पर्यंत एठी आसीबो नाही. मु डाकिबी if I call you you just come and never come or don't come to the house and stay there till I call you. मु तुमको डाकिबा पर्यंत तुम अपेक्षा करो कोठी in the next house. The lady felt giddy, अस्थिर देखा गले GIDDY, and sank down on the floor. And से कौन है गले फ्लोर रे गड़िवा को लागिले बा तांकरो आमे कोइ परिबा she was not feeling well. से तांको भलो लागु नथला, unable to bear the strain. प्रबल she was feeling kind of pressure. गोटे प्रकार तांकर भीतर गोटे प्रेशर आस जाइतिला. The nurse attended to her and led her out, and the nurse helped her to go to the next house, and it was not the time on the part of the wife to stay with the husband सहित रहिबा पय मना करा गला. And she was sent by nurse and Dr. Raman to the next house. ताको रोइबा को आगला तू से घरे रहो, and when we call you you will come. आमे जेते बोल डाकियो आपण आसंतु, but before that you will have to stay in the next house. So that much for today. In the next class we will discuss more about it.